If you want your dream become reality, set a goal. People without the goals are not successful as they hopes to be. Because without a goal you are like a leaf in the wind. You can end up in the same place or miles away. Nothing depends on you and you just float through your life. And when you set a goal, you should write them down so you can be closer to accomplish them. Important things in accomplishing goals is the milestones. That's the way that we can track progress towards accomplishing our goals. So just writing down the goals is not going to take us far away. Just like every new year, we set the New Year's resolutions, write the goals down, and never take a look at them again. That's like we have a general idea what we want to do, but never create the action steps that will help us actually do something about the goal. I was doing this same thing over and over, and then I just found this system that helped me actually accomplish my goals. System is called SMART, and every letter represents the step that you need to do to actually accomplish and set the goal. So S stands for specific. How specific you should be? The more specific you are, that's the better. For example, I'm gonna read more books. You should write it down like I'm gonna read 15 books in a period of 2 months. M stands for measurable. We need to be able to measure our progress over the time. Let's take an example from the previous time. You should be able to measure how much books you can read in a certain amount of time. So next letter is A. A stands for actionable. Every goal should be actionable. We should immediately be clear what action need to be done to accomplish that goal. For example, by the end of the year, I'm gonna read 15 books. We're clear immediately what we need to do to accomplish our goal in this case. The R stands for relevant or realistic. We should be able to see our circumstances that we live in a moment and be realistic when we're setting our goal. For example, if you're a father working from 9 to 5, have kids at home, wife and other obligations, you are not gonna be able to work out for 3 hours a day and eat properly every 3 hours, preparing yourself to become Mr. Olympia. You need to create goals that you can accomplish in your current state of situation that you're living. These stand for time limit. Every goal needs a deadline, so we can stop procrastination and actually you will be forced to the action to finish some things in that deadline and not waiting until the project is perfect. Just do it in that time period and be finished with it. That will stop you to have a goal and never have an urgency to complete it. After doing all these steps, you should evaluate the progress and next time you should try to do some things better.